Hi, I'm Ariana and I love doing things with my friends, but somehow we are always running late. So before we go anywhere, we just end up getting ready together. It's always full of musty, gossip, beauty tips, and a lot of makeup. Today I'm getting ready with Sakshi to play some paddle. We're super new to the game, so while our technique might be a bit questionable, our looks will definitely take us to the next level. Okay, no more waiting. Welcome to the first episode of Almost Ready with Tira. Sakshi, I am so excited for our paddle game today.
None of us know how to play like seriously, but like
No.
it's the vibe.
It's the vibes.
It's the cute fits. So
I know.
Can we get
That's
some
like the
pics
main
after?
thing. 100%. Let's make a reel.
Let's make a reel. The glass is perfect for my sticky phone case. That's why they have a glass enclosure.
Yeah.
Right?
Why
okay,
else?
Perfect.
It's like the trendy thing.
That's what I thought.
Exactly.
Yeah. And that's exactly what I thought. All the paddle bros are quaking at this point.
And obviously, before a paddle game, you get ready on the paddle court.
For the reel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with my most favorite thing. That is life-changing, game-changing, and you must take this home. It is the Kama Ayurveda Rose Water Spritz spray.
You start with it.
I
end with it.
Really?
Yeah, I end with a face mist. I know it's not like your makeup might melt off, but it's not. It has to feel like I sweat, on the paddle.
I love it, a glow.
A glow, basically.
No, I love it because it makes your skin really soft.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never tried it actually.
I use it like a toner. I don't know if
Oh.
that's how you're supposed to use it.
Rules are just like suggestions, actually.
I so agree. Could not agree more.
I start with the Cosrx moisturizer because my skin is extremely dry.
I love that.
And obviously I know this product so well that I know how to open it.
Oof.
I feel like the texture of snail mucin is such a acquired texture.
Yeah.
Like half the people I know are like, we can't use it because of the texture. But the things
That's what
it
you
does
love.
for your skin
Amazing.
is beautiful. And usually you have to use like very little of moisturizer, right?
Yeah.
This spreads so nice that you feel the hydration.
I love that. Well, what else has been happening in your amazing life?
In my amazing life, I have taken 3 blood tests in the
What?
last 3 days because
Why?
something is wrong with me and no one knows why. But
That's
then
what people have been commenting for years. Something is wrong with you.
But they love whatever's wrong with me. But we're trying to figure out what's wrong with me.
Oh no.
Yeah,
I
and-
thought you had a dust allergy.
We did think I had a dust allergy, but I'm also awaiting my PCOS diagnosis. I'm
Okay.
joining a very non-exclusive club that everyone ever is a part of.
The PCOS club.
It's easier to get into the PCOS club than a paddle group. I'll tell you that much.
100%.
You use that much sunscreen?
Yeah, that's how much you have to use, Sakshi.
2 fingers.
3, bro.
Dude,
2 is for others.
that's for parties. Because you all have never stepped
Extra
out in the sun
sunscreen.
actually.
Oh, I love your technique.
I just never learned another way actually. We are using the beauty of Josen.
The beauty of Josen is the chosen one.
Classic.
I love sunscreen
Really?
so much. Like,
I
it's my
hate
favorite thing.
sunscreen. It's the only thing that I use. Like, because the thing is, as soon as you tell me you have to use something, I don't want to use it. And sunscreen you have to use, so I
Yeah.
don't want to use it.
You're such a rebel. I'm so scared of wrinkles and aging my skin. That sunscreen is truly my best friend. And also, I feel like this sunscreen gives you this like glow from within.
I feel like you're just trying to chase that glow. Huh?
I am. I'm a glow getter.
Maybe. I hate sunscreen, but I love using it.
If there's a million fans of sunscreen, I'm one of them. If there's one fan of sunscreen, it's me. If
And
there's
if there's
no
no
fans
fan-
of sunscreen, I'm dead. Exactly.
You're the person that got me into lip balm actually.
Really?
Every time you come over, she leaves one lip balm. So now I just, without buying any lip balms, I have so many lip balms.
I love that.
This is the Peptint from Tira.
Ooh, I love that. But hey, stop. Before you put your lip peptide on,
Yes.
we have to do a glossy confession. Tell us your glossy confession.
Okay, so every time my dog behaves badly in public, I look at everyone, I'm like, I'm so sorry, he never ever does this. but he in fact does it all the time.
Stop.
Yeah.
And that's crazy. You said that with me.
Yeah.
My glossy confession.
Yes.
It's that when I was younger, and honestly till very recently, when my friends would say, hey, I'm eating dal bhat shark at home,
Uh-huh.
I used to think they were eating the fish shark. Like the
Oh.
shark. Not bhaji, which is
Are you
what people
Parsi?
say. Yeah,
that
Parsis don't
Parsi?
say shark.
Oh, I just found this out.
Really? You thought it was
Amazing.
shark?
No, I've never heard that word in my life.
It's a very good Jew thing.
Oh, okay.
Well, God bless, huh?
God bless.
Okay. Ooh. While you're using that one, I'm gonna use the IndieWire. I'm an
Oh.
IndieWire fan.
Mm.
I love IndieWire. Deepa, I love you. I think you're so beautiful and lovely.
I actually do love Deepa Gupta
Yeah.
a lot.
I'm-
Like I've started like buying outfits that she wears, but the thing is, I can't afford them because I don't have a empire, like a beauty empire.
Fair enough,
but
bro.
I try. I also don't have a cute kid. Like I'd have a dog. Deepa doesn't have a dog.
Okay, that's the same as a
Okay.
dog, bro. I promise you, I've been spending a lot of time with babies and they love, like, they'll come eat the food on your plate. Like, they'll
Oh.
come chotu, you know, they can't reach
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all. So they'll, like, look like how
They'll pour
sushi
you.
does.
Yeah.
Literally, they'll pour
I've
you.
also been spending a lot of time with kids.
Oh
Whose
my
kids
God.
are you spending time with?
My boyfriend's nephew.
Oh,
Is the kid you're spending time with your boyfriend?
it is my brother's kid.
Oh, yes.
My nephew.
And his name's Zayn.
His name's Zayn.
Even my boyfriend's nephew is named Zayn. Zayn is the new baby
Zayn is the
name.
new Sakshi of this generation.
You know, Ariana is also the name of the generation, of her generation.
Which generation?
The one after me. They got inspired by me.
Oh, right.
The second I started popping off on Insta, all these
Everyone
millennial
started.
mums were like, that's the
Yeah,
kid.
I think it is Ariana Grande for
Who
sure.
is she? I've never heard
She's
of
like
her.
a local pop singer. Yeah.
Never heard of her.
somewhere.
I
I hope she gets there one
Yeah.
day, like works in like the cast of Wicked or
I
something.
hope.
You never know.
Wicked is only my favorite movie of all
I've
time.
never watched it and I'm not going to. But speaking of Wicked, a musical, and Lady Gaga,
A queen of segues.
Born This Way, Concealer by Too Faced, like literally, y'all have gotten an exclusive viewing of my face because I usually always wear this and gaslight people into thinking that I have no makeup on.
Really?
And what about it? Call
Queen?
me a liar in the comments. I'll make Ariana delete it.
Queen, you're the most stunning woman alive. And once I sat so close to you with when you had your makeup done, and I was like, that is the most stunning makeup I've ever seen anyone do.
Really?
Yeah. And I was like,
Thank you.
this is like my goal. And then I started wearing makeup because I was like, you can look that good. Like, that's crazy.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
That's crazy. You know what the trick is? Now that people have complimented my makeup, I have tricks and tips. That everyone keeps complimenting how well my foundation is blended.
Yeah.
I don't wear foundation.
No
That's
way.
the trick.
How
Yeah.
is your skin so flawless?
Because you use skincare rather than makeup, and also genetics.
That's crazy. I've recently gotten into foundation. I never
Really?
used to wear, but now I'm like getting into it.
Has my concealer blended?
You know, there's a mirror right there.
Oh,
And if you pass
fuck,
me
are y'all
one,
crazy? I've
Pass
been
me
doing this
one.
blind. I feel like your skin, everything looks so like blended.
thanks,
Like, you
because
know-
I'm blending it.
Oh. Okay, sorry. I'm never giving her a compliment again. Y'all heard it here first.
Oh no.
Hey guys, I've created a hamper with all my pics to look exactly like this. Like your bone structure will change if you use my pics. So you guys comment down below and y'all can win this. Top comment will win.
I'm a big applier of blush on my nose
I
to give
really-
a sunburnt look, you know?
Were you able to pick me?
I don't think I was. There was no one around that I wanted to pick me. Does that make
so
sense?
fair. That's so fair. Like if there were like more aspirational men, then
I
you
would have been
a
like,
pick-
yes, I'm not like other girls.
Yeah, but then.
But there was no one.
You went to a girls' school. right?
Yeah.
So the peak picking years, you
Oh,
were sheltered.
thank God.
Thank God, yeah.
Were you a pick me girl?
I wasn't a pick me girl, but the thing was, firstly, none of the boys in my school were attractive. The exact same logic as you. Can I use your blush?
Of course.
Thank
I think
you.
you used the highlighter
I
part
did
of
use the highlighter part. I just
and
realized.
it happens to the best of us.
You know, it's a glow.
It's
actually.
a judgment-free zone. That's
No,
for sure.
you should judge sometimes. And you just saw me putting. Ariana, you're being a big pick-me right now.
You're looking like a joke.
Just wait till
I think you need a blend.
Just wait till I blend.
So actually, you're the most stunning woman I've ever seen in my life. Like, no person can compare to you
Now,
in like the beauty and brains that you are.
what?
Yeah.
You don't know that many people. I'm really average on the list of things. What's been up in your life?
I've been doing a lot of get ready with me's. Oh. Another life update, and why we're doing this is because I have had, yes, you heard it right, 2 paddle lessons so far.
What?
And I'm a bit of a paddle
That's insane.
pro, I would say.
What's your level?
0.
Okay, that makes sense.
What's your level?
I don't play paddle.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah.
So we're on the same level.
Yeah.
I've had 2 lessons.
I wanted to play paddle doubles with my boyfriend and he
Yeah.
said no.
When my boyfriend was teaching me how to play paddle, like towards the, honestly, the middle on, he was like embarrassed to be with me.
Really?
Like they were like, the ball boys and all were staring at him. And he was like, I don't know her. Like this is my
Damn.
charity work for the day, you know.
That's
Because I
great.
was so bad, I was missing every shot that we were playing, I was missing it.
But that's how you learn, right?
That's
By
how you
sucking at something.
You're
Yeah,
so right.
that's why I suck at so many things.
That's
I'm
why.
learning. That's exactly why.
But I have this thing of like, if I'm not good at it instantly,
You don't want to do it.
I'm not a prodigy. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that's my dream. Like you see movies about people who like get it. You know what I mean?
No, you know, every time I see a movie about someone who gets it, I'm like, of course, it's fiction. Like, I don't believe that people have natural talent.
I love
I
that.
believe that everything is learned.
That is such a positive way of looking at life.
Thank you. I also do use brow gel on my
I was
mascara.
gonna ask you. That is sick.
I'll tell you why. It's because like when I use traditional mascara, it never comes off. But brow gel always comes off.
That is such a great hack.
It doesn't do much. But I feel like I've done something. And
And-
for paddle, it's fine, you know.
It's
Maybe
a
not for the
natural
red
look for
carpet.
paddle.
Thank you.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm feeling alive.
I just need to put like one more lip product. No, the
Please.
face mist. I put the
And with a face
guys,
mist.
Yeah.
Ah,
That's very aggressive.
it's an aggressive mist.
Just
Ah.
how I like them. So does it look like I'm sweating now?
Oh my god, we're your fans. I'm your fan.
I'm also my fan. Oh, sorry, your fan.
That's crazy.
Okay, I'm done. I look like I played paddle because of the sweat, so I'm going home.
We have to play paddle now.
No.
It's gonna be so fun.
But we had a fun chat. We wore cute
I
outfits. Why do we have
know.
to play this dumb game?
We have to try and fit in
Okay,
with
okay.
the cool kids of South Bombay.
You know, I've been trying, Ariana. It's really hard. Everyone knows each other since they were. Guys, if you all know anything about South Bombay, first of all, no rickshaws. Yuck. Secondly, everybody knows each other. Everyone's dad knows each other's dad. Everyone's mom knows each other's mom. And then you have to go. Literally, my boyfriend's friends were like, he's the only one that's dating someone from outside. Outside being from town to Bandra. Like, and I'm being treated like
It's a
I'm
big
an
thing.
alien. Yeah, I know it seems like a big thing.
You're out
to
of this
your
world.
kind. I feel like E.T.
You're out of this world. Okay, so this was so fun. Getting ready on the paddle court, I would highly recommend it to everyone.
Yeah, especially if your castmate gives you a mirror. Otherwise, I would not recommend it.
I'm so sorry. Well, God bless. We see you soon.
अरे nice.
Thank you so much for watching Almost Ready with Tira. Make sure you like this video and subscribe for more.